You ever considered using your writing skills to generate income online? Welcome to the world of blogging, an online platform where words are the currency and your creativity, the bank. In this digital age, the keyboard is a powerful tool. Blogging is not just about sharing your thoughts or experiences, it's about connecting with people, making an impact, and yes, making money. Now, how do you convert this readership into revenue? Let's delve into it. We have affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and ad revenue. Each method offers its own opportunities for monetization, and the key to successful blogging is consistency, authenticity, and quality content. So, if you have a knack for writing, blogging could be your pathway to financial success online. Lights, camera, action. Welcome to the world of YouTube. In the digital age, your voice isn't just heard, it's seen. And YouTube is the platform where you can make a significant impact. But it's not just about the spotlight. It's about turning those views into value. The key: ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Remember, YouTube isn't just a video sharing platform. It's a community, a marketplace, a stage. It's a place where you can share your story, connect with your audience, and make money doing what you love. If you've got something to say or show, YouTube might just be your platform to earn online. Ever considered turning your expertise into a classroom? Welcome to the world of online courses. In this digital age, the thirst for knowledge is unquenchable. And what better way to quench it than by sharing your expertise with the world? Creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative way to make money online, but remember, it's not just about the money. It's about sharing your knowledge, your passion with the world. It's about helping others learn and grow. So if you're an expert in your field, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Are you someone who values working at your own pace? Freelancing might be the perfect fit for you. In the digital world we live in, offering freelance services is an increasingly profitable way to earn money online. Whether you're a wordsmith, a graphic design genius, or a business guru, there's a place for you in the freelance market. Freelancing provides the freedom to work on your terms and make money while doing so. Welcome to the world of e-commerce, where your store can be accessed from anywhere in the world. With e-commerce, the world truly becomes your marketplace. But remember, having a great product is just the first step. To really make your mark in the e-commerce world, you also need effective marketing. So there you have it. 5 ways to make money online and become outstanding in your field. We started with blogging, where your words can become the currency of the internet. Then we dived into YouTube, the platform where you can transform views into value. Next, we explored the realm of online courses, where you can share your knowledge and earn from it. We then moved on to the world of freelancing, where you can assert your independence, offering your unique skills to those who need them the most. Finally, we ventured into e-commerce, where you can sell anything from trinkets to treasures, all from the comfort of your own home. Remember, the internet is a vast field filled with opportunities. So go out there and be outstanding.